Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and most likely you heard before, a DAC or an amplifier. Alright, and those are really expensive high-end system used for like speakers, for like home theater system and audiophile setup, alright, that where you can hear music really good, really clear. But what is a DAC or an amplifier? So let me just give it in the very layman terms. Alright, so basically DAC is a digital to analog converter. Basically, if the signals or the musics from your phone, alright, from your your favorite streaming platform or directly from your phone is digital, alright, and what goes into your ear through your earpiece is analog. Alright, and most of the time, smartphone with a headphone jack has a DAC inside it, but it's just very cheaply made because not much people use that function. So it's just a very simple digital to analog converter. Alright, and when you hear the music through the 3.5mm jack, it just sounds pretty average. Alright, but what I have here is something called an external DAC for your smartphone. Alright, so yeah, so this thing is specifically engineered, alright, so that you guys will get the audiophile quality out of your headphones or your earpiece that is using 3.5mm jack. Alright, and it basically converts from a USB-C output into a US 3.5mm jack. So it can be useful for like if you're using those IEMs or any earphones or headphones, alright, that uses 3.5mm jack, this can be really useful as well. So yeah, and this thing also does have an amplifier built in if you want to up the volume, and sometimes the phone cannot produce the phone. Most of the phone that has a DAC inside doesn't really have an amplifier in there. So it's sometimes when you increase the volume all the way to the max, and it just it doesn't feel bright and just distorted, and it's just really bad. So this is where this thing comes in. Alright, so what I have here is the TRI TK1 alright smartphone DAC / amplifier that you guys can use to connect your favorite earpiece. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at what we get inside the box first before I get any further. Alright, because I've talked a lot of it and you guys want to see what this product really is. Alright, so let me just open this up, okay? And what we have here greeted is the DAC itself. Look at that. Alright, let me just peel this off so you guys can see it nicer. Alright, look at that. Really premium feel to it. Look at that. Alright, the whole thing is metallic. We do have another one. Whoa, okay. So the whole thing is metallic with glossy finish at the front and the back. Alright, the whole thing is metallic. Alright, the sides is metallic. We have an audio jack over here, and we have a USB-C input here from your mobile device or any device that is outputting through USB-C. So yeah, you guys can see really nice DAC over here. Alright, and let's just take a look at the accessories it has. Alright, so let me just take out the accessories, and alright, and what we have inside here as well, we have a booklet, alright, quick start guide instruction booklet, how to get it started. Alright, and we do have a really nice cable. You guys can see USB-C to USB-C cable, all metallic, gold plated. Alright, really nice. Look at the cable over here, very premium feel to it. Alright, and here we have a USB-A to USB-C. So if your device outputted like from a PC, alright, you guys can use it as well. So if your PC only has USB-A port, alright, you guys can use this to connect to USB-C, and after that connect it to this one and plug in your 3.5mm to it. So it's really awesome. Alright, and I can't wait to try out and listen to some audio over here. So you guys can see this one can support up to 32-bit, alright, and 384 kilohertz. So that is really audiophile quality kind of bit rate and signal strength. So really awesome, really excited to try it out. Alright, okay, so I have a look into it. Alright, so this one is like volume up, play, pause in the middle, and then volume down, alright, on the bottom here. So you guys can use it to control the volume, play, pause your song very easily. Control it right over here. And below here we have a 4.4mm headphone jack, and as well as 3.5mm headphone jack. So it does support those larger jacks. So if you have like headphones or like those that uses bigger jack, this thing can support that. But today I am going to try out with this one over here. So this is the IEMs that I have actually reviewed. Alright, if you guys have seen my past few videos, I have actually reviewed these IEMs before. This is a KZ Taurus. Alright, I'm going to go pair it with this right over here. So yeah, this is quite an inexpensive DAC, alright, and this is also quite an inexpensive IEM. So I'm going to see how this actually sounds, alright, compared to those really high-end audiophile setup. So as for me, I have actually attended those like audio conference where they showcase different kinds of, you know, really great audio products. I have listened to some of them are like, you know, in the thousands range, or even the DAC itself, all right, it's probably a $500-600 paired with like a $1,000-2,000 IEMs, all right. So I'm gonna compare it, all right. If you get this budget kind of setup, will it sound as good as those? So I'm gonna give you my verdict afterwards. So right now I'm gonna just connect it to my phone first, and then after that I'm gonna like plug it in and, you know, hear how this thing actually sounds. And after that I give you my verdict on, you know, what do I think? Is this worth it, or is this just a junk? So I'm gonna just plug this in. Right, just plug this in. Just plug this in over here. And once I plug it in, you guys can see it lights up green color. Right, it means there is power going through right now. Really awesome. All right, and yeah, I'm gonna just put this on, listen to some music. All right, all kinds of music genres. We have like, you know, pop, classicals, bass, and jazz, and, you know, all sort of music. All right, I'm gonna tell you how this thing actually sounds. So I'm actually quite excited to try it out, right? Because, you know, this is supposed to, like, you know, make your audio sounds way better and way clearer, if that's what it is. Okay, so without further ado, play some audio from my phone, listen to some. I'll be back in 10 to 15 minutes time and give you my verdict on how this thing actually sounds. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in about 5 to 10 minutes time. Okay, so I'm actually really blown away by how good this thing actually sounds. Alright, I'm not even bluffing, I'm not even being sarcastic here. Sounds amazing. Okay, how do I start this off? Okay, so if you guys remember, I reviewed this earlier on. Alright, and this is actually the cheapest IEMs from KZAC series. This thing doesn't have a balanced amateur inside. So audio, you know, although it sounds really good because it's the KZAC series IEMs, alright. But I have listened to this directly raw from my phone itself, alright, and now with the DAC itself, there's a huge difference on how this thing actually sounds, alright. It is really, you have to try out for yourself. It sounds heavenly. Just one word, it just sounds heavenly. The singer is extremely clear. I can hear their every breath. You know, every time when they sing, the breath they takes in, the breath they takes in before they sing another, you know, continue singing, alright? You guys can hear their breath, feel the emotions, and, you know, it's just indescribable feeling, alright? And like I said, I told you earlier on that I've actually, you know, listened to like audiophile great quality kinds of, you know, from the Audio Expo, alright, back in 2 years ago, alright, and all of them, I tried on all the IEMs they have over there. All does come with a DAC right over here with an amplifier. It's pretty much similar to this thing, but they are more like 10 times the price of this. Okay, and what would I say on how this thing actually sounds? Okay, so this thing actually sounds very close. In fact, I cannot tell any difference between what I listened at the Expo compared to what I'm listening now. It's almost very close. It's either probably because it's been 2 years and I forgot how it actually sounds like, because when that time I tried on, it really blows my mind how good it actually sounds. So this time around I tried on again, it just reminds me of that day, the first time I tried it, and it blows my mind. This thing reminds me back in the day. So it's really crazy, alright, how good actually this kind of setup really sound, alright. So, and this whole setup right over here, right, the DAC and the KZAC series IEMs, cost less than $100. In fact, alright, it's probably way less in your currency, alright. This probably costs less than 100 Singapore dollar. Probably in USD, probably like 80 USD or less. So yeah, it's really, you know, budget friendly setup. Yet you guys can achieve an audiophile level kind of, you know, music quality that you're listening to just with this simple device over here. So if you were like, you know, you are starting to get into like, you know, music, and you know, you just want to experience, you know, what audiophile listens to without really spending like, you know, 10 grand 10 grand, 20 grand on those equipment, this is the perfect one for you. And if you're using a more higher end KZAC series IEMs, like probably those that with like KZAC ZA12 or whatever, I have reviewed the ZA12 before that has the balanced armature inside. Alright, I think that will also sound even better. Alright, I haven't tested on that yet, so I don't know how it sounds, but actually on the cheaper range of KZAC IEMs, alright, with this DAC right over here, this sounds so good already. I cannot imagine, using higher end IEMs out there. I think it will sound even better. So it's really good, and because there's an amplifier inside here as well, so that on those bass heavy songs, alright, you can really feel the bass, alright. And I'm not putting it at max volume, I'm probably at 50% volume because of the amplifier itself. Alright, it really amplifies the bass itself, and you can really feel the bass. So it's really good. So if you want out there something like you're an extremely bass heavy person, alright, this will be the best for you, because most phones does not support amplifier. There's no amplifier built into the phone headphone jack at all. It's just a digital to analog converter, that's all. Alright, and those are really cheap one. What inside here, there is a DSP processor inside here. They have an amp built in, and really all the really high quality electronic components. They have like a capacitor, all this and that, alright, to make make it sounds very good. So it's really amazing for this little thing right here, right? I'm really blown away by what kind of difference can be made with just this device right over here. Just this device, it can really level up your audio listening quality. So if you want something that sounds or really sound really good, and you want to like have an audiophile experience without breaking the bank, for less than $100, alright, this will be the one you should go for. Alright, sounds really good. And it's very lightweight as well, really small, alright, and you can bring it for traveling or walking around. There's not much weight to it as all, although it's aluminium, but it's very lightweight, and you guys can carry in your pockets anywhere around. Alright, really cool piece of tech right here that really blows my mind away today, and reminds me of the time I was in the Audio Expo 2 years ago. So it's really cool, and would I say worth it? Definitely. Alright. You have to really try it with this thing itself, and then you can, tell it for yourself. For me, verbally saying, it's good, it's great, wow, this and that, it's really very hard to, justify how good this thing actually sounds. So if you guys want to check this out, right, and get this for yourself right now, right, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this, alright, Hi-Fi Audio TK1, alright, right over here, alright, get this for yourself and start to upgrade your listening experience. And even better right now, because right now Spotify is also, for the premium user, they are rolling out this like lossless audio kind, so you guys can have a much better audio, a throughput through Spotify. So you have like a higher bit rate, and that, so it'll give you a more cleaner and more clearer audio. And plus this, let me tell you, it's literally audiophile level kind of music listening experience that you cannot even get, alright, with this price range. Alright, you're probably going to spend 10 grand just to feel that with just like that. Maybe Spotify Premium with lossless audio, this one, and probably a higher end KZAC series IEMs, and you got yourself a complete audiophile level, right, or even comparable audiophile level kind of audio quality from it. So really incredible. Highly recommend you guys to check out this. Alright, TK1, the first link will be in the video screen down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out right now. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find today's video really interesting and really helpful, let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.